Alright. Alright. Who's the next victim? Some van thing. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Oh, I tried this the other night, but it had plastic. But now I have drill, so plastic meet drill. How straight do you think that is? Guess we'll find out. Oh, that's not plastic, that's metal. What do you think? I don't think it did. I think we still need a drill. There's another crack. Is it a cracking? Is it breaking free? Is it coming loose? Alright, lots of cracking going on. Nope. I hear cracking, but no. Nothing's really happening. You can hear that. It's cracking somewhere. You had to have heard that one. It was taking just as long as the heat gun, but it's a lot more fun. You have more to show for it, see? There it goes. Alrighty. Yeah, it kind of imploded right there. Extra side. So that one's pretty well. Look how clean that one looks. Yeah, pretty clean. A little glue and that would go right back on. But this one, I'm still foobarring these. You need to stop that somehow. Okay, well. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Okay. So, top piece. But that one was pretty good. That one, bleh. So, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. I'm getting better. There's only the third one. Here's the windshield. Here's the innards.